Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a gratitude jar. You'll need a jar, glue, a pen or something to write with, string or ribbon, stickers, pictures, any kind of thing you have that you want to decorate with. You'll also need some little pieces of paper cut into strips. So I'm going to take my decorating items and start putting them on my jar any way I like. After I have my jar decorated however I like, I'm going to take a slip of paper and every day I'm going to write something I'm grateful for. Today I wrote, I'm grateful for my family. I'm going to fold it up and put it in my jar. On Thanksgiving, I'll open my jar and read my slips of paper.